The Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra is Ulefone's latest flagship. Ulefone calls the device the ultra rugged phone, but it's not just a flagship rugged phone, it's a flagship smartphone in general. It comes packed with tons of cool features and specs that might make the device cost up to $1,000 when it's available. The device was unveiled at the MWC Barcelona event, and as for the launch date, I do not know for now. In this video, I'll be talking about the top specifications and features of the Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig into it. The Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra is the third smartphone to feature a two-way satellite messaging. The other two smartphones are the Motorola Defy 2 and the Cat S75. How the feature works basically is that it allows you to communicate via satellite messaging even if the area you're located has no cellular coverage. As for the body of the device, the phone has a titanium frame, while the back cover of the phone features a nano texture design that enhances grip and reduces fingerprints. The phone boasts a large 6.67-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, which provides crisp and clear visuals. The display also has an almost bezel-less design that maximizes the screen real estate. The display is 120 Hz. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which provides excellent performance and power efficiency. The 8 Gen 1 is known for its heating issues, but is still one of the best flagship processors out there. The phone also utilizes 16GB of RAM. The RAM is expandable. This is the only rugged phone with such a huge RAM, guys. There's no rugged phone with 16GB RAM. Only the Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra utilizes 16GB RAM. The phone is equipped with a 1TB internal storage, guys. 1TB. In terms of camera, the Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra features triple cameras. At the rear, a 108MP primary camera, a 16MP ultra wide camera, and it has a 5x periscope camera. There is no details about the periscope camera for now. I think the details will be available once the device is officially released. Also, the Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra is the first rugged phone to feature an under display camera. The phone has a 16MP camera which is located under the display. That's why it's called under display camera, and because of that, it ensures a seamless and uninterrupted viewing experience. The Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra is also the first rugged phone to feature an in-display fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is also located under the display, which provides a convenient and a much more advanced way to unlock the phone. The phone is backed up by a 7000 mAh battery. The Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra is also the first rugged phone to support a 120 watts fast charging. The device supports NFC. It is also rated IP68 and IP69K, which means that it's dust-proof and waterproof and can withstand immersion in water up to a certain depth and duration. It is also military standard A10H certified, which means that it can withstand extreme temperatures, vibration, and shock. The phone also runs on the latest Android operating system, the Android 13. So with these specs and features, I believe that the Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra is truly an ultra rugged flagship device. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Ulefone Nano 23 Ultra, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.